Hi viewers, so we are going to talk about the transformation of the shapes by using the coordinates of their vertices. Okay, so first of all we will start with reflection. Reflection in x-axis. So a point with coordinates x, y, when it is reflected in x-axis, its image will be here, so which will automatically be having the coordinates x and negative y, because the y coordinate became negative. So we can say that the point xy changes to x negative y. Okay, now the reflection in y-axis. So the point xy will change to here, which will have automatically the coordinates minus x, y, because in this case the y coordinate will stay the same, whereas the x coordinate became opposite sign with the previous one. So xy changes to minus x, y. Okay, now the line y is equal to x, and then the line y is equal to minus x. Okay, so in the line y is equal to x, if the point xy, so it will be reflected exactly on the opposite side of this mirror line here. So it will have the coordinates yx. So the coordinates will be flipped without any change in the sign. So we can say that xy is transformed to or reflected to yx. And if it is the line y is equal to minus x, this one, so this point xy, whatever are the coordinates of this point, so it will be, after reflection, it will go exactly on the opposite side at the same distance. So it will be negative y and negative x, which means that the coordinates are switched as well as their signs are changed. So xy will become negative y comma negative x. So these are the four transformations of reflection in x-axis, y-axis in the line y is equal to x and y is equal to minus x. Remember, the rotation will only be about the origin. So it will be 90-degree clockwise and 90-degree anti-clockwise and 180-degree in any of the direction, clockwise or anti-clockwise. So in 90-degree clockwise, this point will move clockwise about this origin, and it will come here after rotation. So its coordinates will become swapped, so it will be y and negative x. So it means we can say that xy will transform to y negative x. And anti-clockwise, this point will move about this origin to this direction, so it will be here and it will get the coordinate swapped, but now this sign will change. XY are swapped and the sign of the x coordinate position is changed, x coordinate position. So it means in this case xy will become negative y x. Okay, then the last one, which is 180-degree in any direction. So this point will be rotated about this origin. So it will be here after rotation of 180-degree. So this point will get the coordinates, no swapping, only the sign of both will change. So it means that xy will change to negative x, negative y. Okay, so then we have the enlargement. And enlargement will also be only about the origin. Center of enlargement will be the origin. As we know, for the enlargement, the scale factor is very important, so it depends on the value of k. So scale factor is k. So in that case, this will have the image after enlargement about the origin O. It may be somewhere a different position depending on the value of k. So this point will have the new coordinates k times x and k times y. So even if k is positive or negative, or k is less than 1 or greater than 1, in all cases just substitute the value of k and multiply it with both x and y, and you get the new coordinates. So we can say that the point xy after transformation of enlargement about the center O origin with the scale factor k will become kx and ky. Okay, so then after that we will have translation. So as you know that translation is quite different than the other three transformations. So here simply it is dragged. So we need only the translation vector. So let's say if the translation vector is PQ, so then the coordinates xy of this point after translation to some new position, it will be x plus p and y plus q. Either p and q are negative or positive. In all cases you will do like this. So you will get the new image of the point. So it means we can say that xy will transform to x plus p and y plus q. So these are the new position of the point. Okay, so if you want to see more videos like this, so please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.